Hello friends, today I am going to unbox iKall K3310 mobile phone. I have brought it from Amazon.in. As you can see, this is the box. It is very tightly and very nicely packed. I have brought it from Amazon.in. You can see the QCR code. You can scan it on your phone and you can get the total details. Here there is the barcode, the QCR code. You can get total details about the product. There are product details, and here you can see there are other details about the product. There is written Amazon Prime. It is very nice and very tightly packed so that the contents may not fall out. And here you can see the QCR code. You can scan it on your phone, and this is it. And you can see other features of the product. And now I am going to rip it open. Here I have taken out my pair of scissors. As you can see, here is my scissor, and now I am going to cut it out, and the content will be almost be revealed to you. And here I have started, and here it is very tight. The cardboard is very tight, as you can see, and the cardboard is also recyclable and eco-friendly. And now I am going to cut it out. Here it is almost done, and here it goes, and the content will almost be revealed to you. And here I have turned it on another side, and here the product will be almost out. It is almost done, as you can see. And here this is, and here on the sides also it is also sealed. And here I have cut it out, and here is the product. Now I have opened it, and here it is written corrugated recycles, and here there is written NT1. And here I have opened it. Here it is. There is the mobile phone, and here is the bill. As you can see, it is sent by Amazon Prime. And here this is the mobile phone iKall K3310. Here you can see the barcode, and here there are the features of the product. There you will see the LED, then various specifications about the product, the FM radio, the other features about the product it is provided with. And here you can see the total details about the product, the name of the manufacturer, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. And you can see here the total details about the product, and here it is also sealed to give its authenticity logo. You can see it is sealed, that is a hologram. And here you can see it is provided with music player, video recorder, and other things like LEDs. And here now I am going to cut the seal of the box, and I have almost done it. Now here I am opening the lid. Here I open the box, and here the phone, as you can see. And this is the iKall mobile phone, and the mobile comes with a sleek design, and it is dark blue in color. And here I have removed the cardboard, and here you can see the charger. As you can see, it is long and black in color. And here I am unwrapping it here, and here it is almost done. And you can see this is the charger, and here it is written iKall. It is manufactured by iKall, and it is OK tested. The product is and the charger is tested. And here I am going to plug in the jack. Here is the jack provided along, and this here I have put it on the phone. Here I have put the jack on the phone, and here is the charger. I have kept it both side by side. As you can see, this is the phone, iKall phone, and this is the charger. And here you can see it is provided the battery. The battery is also kept in plastic, and this is the iKall battery. As you can see, the iKall mobile phone comes with a decent 800 mAh battery, which is capable enough to power the phone and keep the device running for long hours when you are making a call, enjoying your music while you are on go. And here I am opening the back side of the phone, and this is the cover, and I am taking it out. This is the back side of the lid. It is also very tight, and here it is almost out, as you can see. And here this is a battery, and here I have put the battery. As you can see, this is the battery, and now I'll be again putting the cover. Here I put the cover, and here it is almost done. And as you can see it, I put other things aside. Now as you can see, provided with a 0.3 megapixel VGA camera, you can record your videos here, and it is also provided with a video recorder to record the videos, as you can see. And there is the torch light provided, and here you can see it is provided with the 2 SIM slots. You can insert 2 SIM slots, and there is a micro SD slot, as you can clearly see it. And here you can store all your music, video files, and all the other necessary things. You can see this is the iKall mobile phone. It comes with a sleek design, and it has a display of 1.8 inches. And now I am going to switch it on, and here you can see the iKall logo, and the phone has already started. And here you can see the display, it is very bright. And here you can see the soft keypads. The keypads are white in color. And now here I've gone to one key, and there are various options. There is folder, organizer, music, and other things. You can do many things as you desire. You can record videos, listen to music, watch videos, and the keypad are also very soft, very comfortable, very nice, as you can see. And here this is the phone, and now I am going to plug in the charger. Here I have plugged it, the charger, and here I have put it on the switch, and here it is charging, as you can see. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.